It hits different when a company that feels stuck begins lowering its cost per lead, bringing in more leads than anything they have experienced before. Our cutting edge pay-per-click strategies completely changed the business of our clients by cutting their cost per lead to only $19.32 and getting over 70 qualified leads a month. And the crazy part is that before we stepped in, their campaigns were burning through the money without any direction, and for now they have busy schedules. Hi, my name is Amy and I am from Softtrix, and if you run the ads for a genuine high value service, you are going to want to stay with me until the end. I am showing you exactly how we have fixed this account step by step so you can copy the same approach. Let's start with the problem. In the education space, curriculum-based professional learning is a lifeline for schools. It gives teachers better tools, stronger lesson plans, arts integrated literacy, and math programs that actually work. Schools want this, teachers need this, students benefit from this. But here is the painful part. Even companies with incredible programs are losing money because their marketing is weak, and this client was living through that nightmare. They were running the ads, spending real money, but the results were pocket draining. Broad match keywords, no clear tracking, no visibility on the performance, calls untracked, forms missing, targeting scattered. They were pouring budget into the Google like water into sand. This is where the agitation kicks in. They knew schools were searching for solutions, the demand was there, the industry was booming, but their ads were not reaching the decision makers, and the worst part, they could not even see what was broken because tracking was missing. So now the solution to optimize, we ran a full account website audit. They gave us the map, and once the client saw the gaps clearly, they have trusted us to rebuild everything from scratch. Then came the engine behind the turnaround. We have rebuilt the campaign structure from the ground up. We have fixed the targeting to match real search intent like teacher professional learning programs and arts integrated literacy solutions. We have redesigned all the ad copy to speak to value, outcomes, and the clarity. We have launched search, display, YouTube, and the performance max campaign to reach the educators where they browse, and we have installed the GA4 tag manager and the full conversion tracking to see every call, form, and the click. So on the website we have made conversion tracking effortless. Phone numbers became clickable, forms were added to every major page, and every friction point was removed. Then we have relaunched and the results hit fast and hard. Lead quality jumped, tracking turned guesswork into decisions, cost per click dropped to only $19.32, and the client for now sees more than 70 qualified leads every month. They went from frustrated spending to predictable growth, from confusion data to clarity, from struggling to scale to confident expansion. And here is the best part. This same method works across industries, but marketing is not luck. It is structure, intent, and the data working together. If you want your campaigns to produce just like this, reach out to Softtrix. We were here to rebuild what works and remove what wastes your money. So if you have any campaigns running in the similar niche, you can contact us for a free audit. There is a phone number on the top right corner. You can contact us on WhatsApp. We will be able to look at your account, and then we can let you know what you are doing and what you need to do in order to maximize the ROI from the campaigns. But on the other side of things, if you do not have any campaigns running, then don't worry about it. Just share with us some basic information like the website URL, the monthly budget, and the location targeting. We can do the research, and then we can get back with the plan of action on what you can do to bring your business online to the next level. Thank you for watching the video.